Welcome to my Bong 2 Eng channel.
Hello everyone, welcome to this simple English learning video. Today, we will learn some easy English sentences with Bangla meaning, so you can speak English confidently. Part 1 Daily Use Sentences. Let's start with some daily use sentences. Repeat after me. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I go to work every day. I come back home in the evening. Try to speak these sentences every day in your morning routine. It will make your English natural. Part 2 Common Conversations. Now, let's practice short conversations. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What are you doing? I'm studying English. That's great. Keep it up. When you talk with your friends, try to use these short English lines every day. Small Diamond Part 3 Feelings and Emotions. Let's learn how to express your feelings in English. I'm happy today. I'm tired. I'm sad. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. I'm excited to learn English. Say these sentences with emotion. It helps you sound more natural in English. Small Diamond Part 4 Motivation and Review. Great job. Now, let's review what we learned today. You learned daily routine sentences, conversations, and feelings. If you practice just 10 minutes daily, you'll be able to speak English fluently. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and never give up. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. Practice daily. Believe in yourself. You can speak English.